Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, and today we're going to have a special episode of Cooking with Kids. We're not going to be making food, we're going to be making hand soap. Here is the hand soap that you can use at home or give as a gift. Parents, I do suggest that you are present throughout the entire video. And I'm super excited. I've been missing you guys. And let's go ahead and make some soap. So because we are making soap, we are going to be using multiple products, but one thing we need to keep in mind is to sanitize our areas and wash our hands. And I'm also going to be using gloves just to try and keep the soap as germ-free as possible. Okay, let's get started. These are the things you're going to need. You're going to need your glycerin, which is our soap. I got clear glycerin, and you can get it from Michael's. I have my molds. These are going to make the shapes. This is like what they'll look like as a finished product. Then I have glitter for decoration, non-toxic color dyes that you can use that won't irritate the skin, and essential oils that give a smell. I have mango and I have coconut lime. And I have a funnel to help me pour my glycerin into the molds, and I have a paintbrush to help stir the color and glitter that I put into the soap molds. And I also pre-cut my glycerin. It comes into a solid block and it's easy to cut through. Parents, I suggest that you take over that task to, make sure everyone is safe. And so our first step is to take our glycerin and melt it in the microwave. Put it on 2 minutes and 30 seconds. As you can see, our glycerin is liquid and you're able to pour it more easily. So I'm gonna bring my molds over here. I'm going to use my funnel to pour my glycerin. And it's okay if you get a little glycerin everywhere, just be careful because it can be hot. That's why I want parents to assist. Oh, I overpoured. But it's okay. I'm just going to place this to the side. Now we're going to use our coconut lime essential oil. I'm gonna take my teardropper and I'm going to drip about 7 to 8 drops in 3 of the molds. We're gonna do 3 coconut lime and 3 mango. Now we're gonna do our mango. We have to move quick so it doesn't dry. But we want to give it a few colors. Now I'm just mixing them up. There's no specific color in which I'm going for here. Just giving a variety of colors. Okay, lastly, we're gonna add our glitter. Now I'm just going to pinch and sprinkle, because I don't want a lot of glitter because we are gonna be washing our hands with it. I'll just leave that one by itself. We're gonna close up our glitter because it can get everywhere. And lastly, we're going to do a little mixing around some. And if you want, you can wipe it off or get the color off before you move on to the next one. And I'm just moving it around in different directions so it'll have different shapes or different patterns when it dries. And we're just gonna let it dry. So we have our soap here and we're gonna try it out. See? And it doesn't have any dye on your hands or anything like that. And it's soap, regular soap. Hands are clean, and you have your own handmade soap. My name is Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, where we are family, and I hope you enjoyed making our awesome soap today. Stay safe and clean, and can't wait to see you all. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out next week.